Besides just your personal LinkedIn profile, you can also create a LinkedIn business page, or sometimes also called a company page. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a business page on LinkedIn and some of the really cool benefits and features that go along with it. Hello Socialty Pros, my name is Austin Armstrong, and this channel is all about helping you socialize your specialty so that you can grow your brand and your business online. So if you'd like to learn step-by-step strategies and tactics to do this, make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell. Having a LinkedIn business page opens up a lot of unique opportunities that you just simply don't have with a personal LinkedIn profile page. Here's some of those benefits and features. Increase brand visibility. By having a page dedicated to your business or your brand, people can begin to start tagging it. You can add employees onto it. You can use it as a platform to share news, highlights, updates, and new things, breaking news that you and your company are about to do or in the process of doing. If you're looking to hire that perfect person to fit that role within your company, having a business profile page on LinkedIn is a great base that you can post a job off of. Then they can check out the company, find a little bit more about who you are, and it's a match made in heaven. There's actually features that you can track and analyze who's mentioning your company. This is really cool to see what they're talking about, if they're talking about good things, maybe bad things, or if they're just referencing you and want to find out more information. It also doubles your potential reach to get business and get brand awareness on that personal profile page. By having your employees and also brand ambassadors connect with and say that they're working for this company page, you can vice versa share content that puts out there, it tags back into your page, and it just expands the reach even more. Okay, so you're convinced that you need to get a company page on LinkedIn. Let's jump into step by step exactly how you can create one from scratch. The first thing that you need to know before creating a company business page is that you need to have a personal LinkedIn profile page in order to create it. And you need to have it filled out as well. So if you do not have a LinkedIn profile page yet, I suggest you pause this video, click right here, and you'll see a video that takes you step by step how you can create your own profile. Assuming that you do have a profile page already created and you're logged into LinkedIn.com, check in the upper right-hand corner of the page. You're going to see an icon that has 9 dots and it says work with a little drop-down arrow. Click on that. It's going to expand a short little window, and then down at the bottom of it we'll have a link for you to create a business page. Click on that. From here, there's a couple options depending on the size of your business. Maybe you're a smaller business, maybe you're a massive corporation, or you want to just create a brand awareness page or something along the lines of that. You can select that here and then move on to the next step. From here, it's as simple as filling out the necessary forms: company name, website if you have one, the tagline and slogan of your company, what services you offer, what industry that you're in, add your logo in there. Add all of these fields that you have currently or that are appropriate, and then click save and then go to the next step. From here, you're pretty much good to go. Now you have a base template for your LinkedIn company page. Here you can add any additional features that you want. You can add in a cover photo in here and start to begin posting updates or interesting articles in your niche and your business, etc. I also highly suggest that once your business page is fully filled out and created, send a newsletter or send an update out to all of your employees that they can say that they work for your company. This will publicly display on their profiles, and it will interlink back into that company page as well, which will help increase the brand visibility and ultimately more followers. But let's not stop there in your LinkedIn journey just yet. In this next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can explode your follower counts with targeted people for your business or whatever your objective is. Click this video right here and I'll see you in just a few seconds. If there's anything else that I can personally do to help you grow your brand or your business online, I would love to connect with you at socialtypro.com.